Hello, let's understand the process of partial RTO or partial courier return. Let's take an order which is currently in dispatch state, as you can see in the video. To create partial RTO, the shipment status must be return acknowledged. Hence, a return manifest has to be created. For creating manifest, you can go to returns icon and click on manifests. Now, click on Create Return Manifest and choose the same courier through which the package was shipped initially. Now, add the shipment ID or the AWB number in the box. You may click on this truck icon and select OK to close the manifest. The shipment status of the order will now be changed to Return Acknowledged. Now, you may go to Inbound icon and choose Putaway. Click on Create Putaway. Select the Putaway type as Putaway Courier Returned Items, because partial RTO can only be created against Putaway Courier Returned Items. Now, you may add any of the following details: tracking number, shipping package code, sale order number, or manifest code. I have mentioned the AWB number here. Once the detail is added, you may choose to select the inventory type as good or bad and add the items to Putaway. Click on Create Putaway List, assign the designated shelf, and complete the Putaway. Once the Putaway is completed, the inventory will be added back and the shipment status of the order will be changed to returned. Similarly, if you want to process the partial RTO for another item from the same order, a return manifest has to be created once again and the same process needs to be followed. I hope now you are able to process the partial RTO conveniently. Thank you.